Good morning, class 6. Today we'll be starting the annual term chapter My Name is Bond. So, have you wondered how people become writers? What do you think you can do to become a writer? So, have you thought about it how people can become a writer? I will go and tell everyone that I had a photo with Ruskin Bond and that he is my chacha, said a small kid giggling with his friend walking in the straight line behind his teacher. Chacha means uncle. Ruskin Bond is an Indian writer. He writes about children's books. Okay, so a kid is giggling and telling his friend that he had a picture with Ruskin Bond. He couldn't believe he had met and he had been photographed with the man who took them in the hills, the man who gave them the blue umbrella to play with, the man who pulled out a ghost for them, the children's author Ruskin Bond. So, this man is the Ruskin Bond, okay? So, he is a children's author. He writes books for children like The Blue Umbrella and many other, okay? Those that children cannot believe that he had a picture with Ruskin Bond. The setting at the Lake Club in Chandigarh was just a deal, a balmy afternoon. Balmy afternoon means pleasant, warm afternoon. A calm, unstirred water body soaked up the sun. Bookstalls and the excited as well as curious bystander around them. Bystander mean people who stand near and watch something. So that day afternoon at Chandigarh was very pleasant and warm, okay? And there was bookstalls and there were people standing and watching around. The sound of the school students with a list of 101 questions, men and women exchanging pleasantries, and most of all, the man on the stage, Ruskin Bond. The sun had touched him a wee bit. Wee means little. Little bit, leaving his cheeks red. Nothing new for the mountain man who can bind the entire crowd together without any effort. A joke here, an anecdote there. Anecdote means a short funny story. There Ruskin Bond weaves stories as many as you want. Ruskin Bond is from the hills. He is from Dehradun, okay? That's why he is called a hillman. And he had come to the school to talk about his books, okay? And there were people watching him where he was on stage, and there was afternoon sun that has touched, the rays had touched his cheeks little, okay? He laughs. The reason I am still writing is because of children and the parents who have been reading me. So, many childhood memories are also with the parents, okay? When the parents were small, they used to read Ruskin Bond books. Even I have read some of his books, okay? And he is a children's author. He writes for children, and he is laughing and telling the reason he is writing is because of children and their parents who also reads. The session with Ruskin Bond saw him guiding children. The reason you are going to school is because of your parents, so make sure you take care of them when you grow up. So he is advising, Ruskin Bond is telling the children that you are going to school now because your parents is working hard, earning money for you, and okay, so you also, when you grow up, you look after your parents. They become old, na? The words that had the desired effect. Parents were smiling, grandparents were even happier. As for the kids, the barrage of questions had just begun. Barrage means a great number of questions had just begun. So now it was like a what you can say, like a conference, okay? The Ruskin Bond had come. He was talking to the children He was telling children to take care of their parents when they grow up, because because of the parents they can go to school. And listening to him, the grandparents means dada, dadi, nana, nani, were also happy listening to Ruskin Bond, because they also have a childhood memory. Even parents also used to read books about of his. Okay, one child, and there were a lot of questions that children wanted to ask Ruskin Bond. One children asked if he had any tips for writers. Ruskin Bond replied, respect the language, choose a topic that gives you pleasure, work regularly, find your own space or solitude. Solitude means being alone. So one child asks, like, how can I become a writer? So Ruskin Bond is telling that you should respect whatever language you choose. Okay, whatever language you are writing, you should respect that, whether it's English, whether it's Bengali, Hindi, Nepali, Gujarati. In whatever language you are writing, you should respect that language. Then you have to you choose a topic which you enjoy the most, and you have to have a regularity. Every day you have to practice writing. Okay, and you have to find a space, means a place you can be alone and think about it and write it. And the next question was about his story here, the Blue Umbrella. So the question was about his story, Blue Umbrella, where a kid rides a buffalo. So you have got on a buffalo, Mr. Bond. So the children are asking, Mr. Bond, have you been in a buffalo? क्या बोलते हिंदी में भैंस. हाँ, तो in the story the kids rides in the buffalo, and the question is asked to Ruskin Bond. He laughs innocently. Well, I did try once. I got up from one side and down from the other. ये चिल्ड्रंस पार्क में भी होता है ना, वो आर्टिफिशियल बफेलो जिसमें बैठ के हम लोग राइड करते हैं. तो वो बोल रहे हैं कि मैं एक बार चढ़ा था, देन आई फेल डाउन. A young girl wanted to know about his experience while shooting for a film based on a story written by him. He equipped means something said funny. You are not quite getting it right, Mr. Bond, said the director. And after almost 78 takes, the director had to say again, I think, Mr. Bond, you are doing it deliberately. So one of the Hindi movies, Mr. Bond who had played, okay, and the girl wanted to know about his experience in that film, of shooting in that film. Then he said that the director was not satisfied with his acting, okay, after 78 takes, and the director told that you are doing it purposely. Okay, deliberately means purposely. Can there be any one single dull moment in Ruskin Bond's session? Well, the audience did not move. Another question was about what he would do if he was allowed to go back in time. So it seems like he had a very much fun, enjoyable life in his whole term, okay, in his lifetime, Ruskin Bond. Okay, he is a writer. He was in a movie. Okay, now he is in a conference with children and their parents. Now another question had come up, that was the if he was allowed to go back in time. So what he answered, I have written about regrets. I always knew and still know my limitations. Limitation means how far one can go. I don't think I would write any different from what I've written. I might have done a few things in better way. I am truly satisfied with what I have written. I have never written for fame. The session came to an end with the session chairperson quoting Ruskin Bond's word. You remember them better than I do. To which Mr. Bond smiles, of course we all remember. This is written by Jasmine Singh. So another question had come up, that would you like to, what was that? Was what he would do if he was allowed to go back in time. He said that he had written about regrets in his life in his book, okay, and he know how much he can push himself, okay, write about, but he would not write anything different. He would always love to write about children's book, okay, about the hill station, about his life experience, and he's very satisfied whatever he's writing, and he's not writing to be famous, but he just loves to write, that's why he's writing. And the session which was being held, it came to an end by a chairperson quoting Ruskin Bond's words. What is that words? You will remember them better than I do. Means you will remember the characters which he has written in the books better than he himself, Ruskin Bond, he himself will do. And Ruskin Bond is saying, yes, of course, we all remember. So I will be giving the question answers. You do it in the your literature copy. Okay. So this chapter is complete. Thank you.